incredible.
Backcountry trout bumming right here, man, in 2 feet of snow with Will 2 days before the new year. Doesn't get any better than this. Deal with some snow. We're meeting up with Will. I wouldn't be going on this trip if it wasn't for Will. At 5 a.m. he sends me a text. He's like, how you doing? I'm still going. I'm up and at 'em. And we're gonna drive way out to the Skagit river system in a winter storm warning. We'll see how this goes. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to Fish and Fly with Gus. Adventure on.
In 9.6 miles at the roundabout, take the second exit onto State Route 9 North. In 3.5 miles, turn right onto Burke Avenue West.
We got to accept what Mother Nature's doing and try to be congruent and work in harmony with the elements, whatever that means at the time. This is nuts. What a freaking crazy fishing adventure this is. I don't know if any fishing is going to be had, but it is an incredible adventure nonetheless. This is fantastic news. Got to go to the bathroom. Neither gas station's bathroom is in order, so we're going to have to get creative here. Adventure on. Wow, this is like... Definitely gotta have four-wheel drive. I haven't really needed it much yet, but ooh, is that a gate or tree? No? Oh man, finally got the Honda Ridgeline stuck. We're trying to make a decision as to proceeding forward or trying to reverse and get out of here. We're gonna look at the shoes here. Basically, there's a layer of ice under this snow, and so we've been rocking and rolling. We just finally broke from our position. We do have a couple chunks of firewood. Unfortunately, no shovel, and Will's got no gloves other than the palms. But so it's taken an hour, give or take, but we're pretty confident that shortly we're going to be able to get out of here. Dude, Will just imposed his will, no pun intended, on this path. We're having so much fun. Don't try this at home. This is a better snowmobile track than a car track, but we're not too far from where we want to fish.
Oh, hi.
Getting closer to hitting this river, and probably need to tromp through the snow. There's a good 1.5 feet at least. If Sasquatch is out here, he's going to contrast with the snow so easily. It'll be the best find ever. So there's always that possibility too. All right, cool. This will stay pretty good. Testing out the GoPro 9 with Super View, 60 frames at 2.7K. Welcome to my GoPro and Fish and Fly with Gus well. And here's the profile fisherman of the day, ladies and gentlemen. First time appearance, not even camera shy. What do you look at that?
Yeah, I really appreciate you driving today.
Hey, thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. So welcome.
Stepping back over this way.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. Hey, I'll hang here if you want to just spend a few minutes there. That's totally cool with me, man. Enjoy.
Over here?
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. Hell yeah. Woo! That hit me all the way over here. Yeah, those aren't bad casts. Little midday check-in here. Will's fishing behind me. He thinks he got a bite. I haven't moved a fish that I'm aware of. This is challenging water to fish. It's crystal clear. It's ice cold. The fish can see everything. And I really haven't found the deep, slow pools that I was kind of hoping we would. We're going to keep going and see what we can see and do our best here. So, oh, there's a nice kingfisher right there. My toes are getting cold. My hands are getting cold. It's 25, 28 degrees out here. An adventure indeed. Such a beautiful day. We're loving this place. So we'll see what happens. It's not over yet.
Oh, that solid spot was so nice.
Wasn't it? I know.